Hello everybody, I'm here today to give you some more information about who's involved in the vaccine trials and the production of the vaccine, and some information from an alleged GSK insider who believes that certain antigens are going to appear in the vaccine that are going to be harmful to people. So there's going to be an anti-HCG antigen. Now, this is HCG is something for causes sterility in women. Out of the 63 women they tested with this HCG, 61 of them became infertile. So out of 63 women they tested, GSK tested with this antigen, this concoction of chemicals, 61 became infertile. And they believe that's what's in the vaccine. There's also, so that's the female one. The male, was going to appear in the male vaccines, we believe, is called GnRH, and it results in decreased testicular size. So your testicles are going to shrink, a drop of testosterone levels, and marked atrophy of the prostate. This is a sperm-specific mitochondrial antigen, and so what that does is this chemical attacks the sperm, kills its mitochondrial DNA, so it has nothing to deliver. So it will still be alive, it will still be swimming around, but when it goes to the egg, it will have nothing to deliver into that. Its mitochondrial DNA will be damaged. It will be dead. And they tested this on baboons. It's a specific sperm-specific mitochondrial antigen produced an antibody response in baboons and reduced fertility in the females. So that basically means that when these male baboons had sex with female baboons, simply by delivering their sperm into them, they made the females infertile. So if this also is in there, in these vaccines, then men who have sex with unvaccinated women will make them infertile, and everyone else will be infertile, will become infertile. Now, apparently, this isn't going to be seen in the population for 7 to 10 years. Then there will be an explosion of infertility. And what will happen, as I've been told, is that people will die, and people will continue dying, but no one is going to be reborn, thus reducing the population of the United Kingdom massively, pretty much within a few years. And if this is their intention around the rest of the world, then you're looking at a global population reduction just with these anti-fertility ingredients, which they believe is going to appear in the vaccine.
She was wrong, Michael. You don't need a pandemic for people to take the vaccine. You just need the fear of a pandemic.
We've now passed 7 billion on this planet. When I was born, it was a little over 2. Food prices are rising, oil is ending. When our resources end in 20 years, given everything that we know of our species, do you really think we're going to just share?
So your answer to that is some kind of genocide?
No, it is not. It is not genocide. Our answer to this is Janus. Janus consists of a protein and an amino acid. Independently of each other, they're harmless. But when they're brought together in the subject, they act as a genetic trigger that prevents chromosomal division. The cell targeted can no longer replicate itself and is thereby rendered useless. The change is permanent and hereditary.
And which cells are targeted?
Those that control fertility, Becky. The purpose of Janus is to sterilize. The purpose of Janus is to sterilize the entire human race.
And do you know what it does?
It sterilizes people. 90 to 95% of the people who receive the Russian flu vaccine will become sterile.
Everyone will take the vaccine. Everyone will willingly take Janus. It'll be chaos, it will, but in less than 100 years, there'll be no more than 500 million people on this planet. We will have created utopia.
She was wrong, Michael. You don't need a pandemic for people to take the vaccine. You just need the fear of a pandemic.